This five-star construction site is going full speed ahead. It looks like someone really fell for that idea that the millionaires are coming. That's right, close the curtain. Don't let anybody know what's going on. Don't let anybody know what you're up to. This is actually a very nice five-star neighborhood. But everything is closed. It's not open. It's boarded up and shuttered up, and maybe there's a person that comes to watch over the place and clean up a little bit. But these are all little small businesses. They must close down because they are non-essential businesses. Only the essential businesses can be open, not the non-essential. These little mobile vendors are allowed to stay open because everything they sell is carry away or take away. Now the powers that be have ordered that all chairs are to be taken away or covered up because you cannot sit in a chair. Now when I was a little kid, I was always told, sit down to eat. Now I would imagine with all these places for rent, you could get a pretty good deal about now. All my footage is the actual fact of what is actually happening at the time that I have filmed it. So, since I am one of the few people that's left operating in Southeast Asia, I recommend that you like and subscribe to my channel.